we built a model train track. I'll show you how it works. But the train will show you. Stop at the station!
Now what?
All aboard!
Can you show me around the station? Oh, next time.
And you can put that right there, and you can see the station. Okay? The end station. Stop. Go.
What's in the station?
Station. You have to come and take a look.
What's happening to this lady? Where's she at?
She's at the station in McDonald's.
What can she order?
She can order her a cup of coffee, some Coke, a lollipop.
A lollipop?
And I can't see the rest.
You can't?
What?
Nothing. Is that a map? Right there.
Yes, it is.
So they know where to go?
I can't see. And right there is a pizza. Right here is hot dogs. And here's the 2 drinks.
Cool.
Oh, and right here is a spy camera. And it's spying on you.
Okay, now let's move to the other side. What's down here?
Down here is the newspaper. There's and a man and a bike. And straight through this door, yours is there and there. Now let's see the train go. The doors, see, you can open and close. And we're just about to make this track bigger. One more thing. And this is where they make all the newspapers. And this is the signal man. Bye. Taxi. Beep beep. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you for
Watching.